Smartly situated between the vibrant shops and restaurants on 38th Avenue and the historic Tennyson Street shopping district sits Incarnation Residences, a quiet, modern enclave just minutes from downtown Denver. Let's take a look inside this fabulous home. I can't wait to show it to you. You will feel delighted upon stepping inside to the bright, open concept floor plan. Stunning luxury vinyl plank spans the entire main and upper floors. That's nearly 2,200 feet of brand new flooring. Feel your senses rejoice at the level of finish throughout. A reclaimed wood mantel above the modern fireplace is a living room conversation starter, while in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, pantry, and a large quartz island make dining in feel like a luxury. Three perfectly sized, light-filled bedrooms round out the second floor, including this generously sized primary suite retreat. Stepping inside feels like a spa-like escape with an ensuite 5-piece bath and a closet even the most discerning fashionista will love. The spacious basement level offers a large bonus room with the potential for a 4th bedroom and a modern full bathroom. And to top it all off, the rooftop deck is an oasis of sunshine with fantastic views of the Front Range. Friends and family will love joining you in the morning for a cup of coffee or to unwind at the end of the day with a tasty beverage. So what are you waiting for? Contact our team to take a look at this stunning home today. We look forward to seeing you.